All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Today, Tuesday, 15th of August. Let's get straight to it. USDJPY. So I didn't expect the price to break out. I expected a pullback at this zone, but it did, which is fine. We didn't enter the trade, but we have the opportunity today. So simply go 1 to 1 here. $20 buy order at the market for USD JPY. Hopefully it keeps pushing up. USD CAD is moving in our direction. I'm gonna add to this position. Reason being, since it's broken that stalemate twice in a row, I believe it can make it to the highs. So we do another 1 to 1 here. $20. 5 market, make that 19. So we're in two position now. Use the CHF. Still looking very sideways. I don't see any clear movement here. So nope. AED-CHF. So we do have a winner for AED-CHF, and that took us, Jesus, 9 trading days. It's just whatever. Very slow moving now, so I'm not gonna get into another trade till I see changing candle size, right? At least AUD New Zealand looks like it's gonna continue go up, but we did not have a strong bullish close yesterday, so I'm not adding to this position. Just maintain it as is for now. AUD CAD looks like it's moved down, but it's gotten rejected, though still at the break even. I tend to not to touch my trades unless it closes in the red. Still, there's opportunity for this to push down, so we'll leave it be. AUD USD, we have a winner on AUD USD, but since yesterday has not really closed the strong bearish. We had a big weak rejection. There's a possibility for a bounce. So I'm gonna leave it be for today. No entries. ADGPY, we have a loss, I believe. Yes. So what happened? We were in the red yesterday, and I set an alert to this area around here. I'll show you on 15 minutes. So price went back, hit my stop loss, and came back up. This is good for a buy. No, yeah, still good for a buy. I like this for a buy actually a lot. Reason being, bears just failed to push this down when they had the opportunity. Now they've lost that opportunity, so there's a likelihood for it to turn bullish. But I'm just gonna give a wider stop loss below yesterday's candle. $20 at the market. 1 to 1. Okay. New Zealand CAD. So, geez, we had one very close to TP, but it looked like it didn't trigger the TP in the first position. Still potentially down. So I'm gonna maintain these both positions are in green. So we'll leave it be. New Zealand CHF also in green, hasn't really moved yet. New Zealand USD, it's failed to reach the TP down here. You can see in 15 minutes. Very close, very close. But I'll maintain is still in the green unless it closes in the red. Think about it, how to manage it. New Zealand JPY, nothing really, just sideways movement right now. Euro pound. As I said yesterday, it's very hard to tell which way this might go. Yeah, for now we'll leave this be. Euro CHF, kind of indecision yesterday, and the price kind of moving sideways, so we'll leave this be. Euro JPY, yeah, okay, I think this needs to be managed, though it did have opportunity to go down. It failed, so there's a possibility for this come back up. I'm gonna set an alert around this zone if I can do it around here. Yeah, I'm gonna put an alert here. If the price comes back up, I'll monitor the momentum. If it has a strong momentum to break through, I'll later on. Otherwise, if it pause, looks like it's going back down, I'll close it at break even. Euro UD. So we had one position closed in profit. So we had one winner from Wednesday entry, yeah. But today's one is in red. Yesterday's trade is in red. So same thing, just leave an alert and monitor the movement. Looks like a big projection though. Hopefully it can pull back up so I can close it at break even before it falls. Looks like it's about to fall. Euro USD. I like this for a sell. You can see a strong bearish candle. The overall movement is also down, so it can potentially reach down there. Yes, the 20. I'm just gonna match this 1-to-1 for a sell. Alright, hopefully it continues down. Euro New Zealand on the way up, they pushed through, but it kind of failed. Still possibility for it to continue up, so leave it be. Not really in the red, it's more close to break even. I can close it right now, but there's no real reason. There's no zones here, rejection. You can just continue up. Might be profit taking yesterday. Who knows? Euro CAD, I'm not really sure selling would be a good idea here. I mean, this is potentially an area of resistance, and the overall movement looked to be on the upside. Leave it be. Pound JPY is gingerly making its way up. We have a winner. Pound JPY. Question is, do I continue to solve? The candle sizes look kind of pitiful. I mean, it's not much more gonna make compared to these guys. These guys are pretty much non-existent. Yeah, I'll leave it be for now. Pound AUD still hasn't moved much yet. We leave it be. Pound USD. Alright, let's look at this closer a little bit, see what happens. So big red bearish close. Next day is a bullish pressure but a pause. Second day, bearish pressure but a failure to push down. The way I see it is two-sided. I'm gonna get out of this. Close the position right where it is, minimize loss, and yeah, it's pretty much a break even. Pound CAD, I'm also gonna close this since it's just moving sideways. I see obviously there is no momentum in the market. Had the opportunity to go down after it broke back in, but it failed to reach TP. Close this here since it's failed to move a couple of days. Now it's mostly sideways. There is no momentum, there's no reason to be in a trade. Pound CHF completely sideways. Pound New Zealand, we're in green, but yesterday didn't close strong bullish, so I'm not adding to this position. CAD CHF completely sideways at this zone for now. CAD JPY, we had two winners previously. This is good for another entry, I believe. 1-to-1, look out here. So we're in a buy on CAD JPY. It's like a strong bullish momentum here exists. CHF JPY already in a buy, and I'm gonna jump in at another position since yesterday we had bullish, strong bullish close. $20 and 10.3. Alright, so we're in two positions now. Alright, thank you guys for watching. This is it for today, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Take care.